Imagine being paid for each and every click you make on this site. Well, it's not only new, but it's also completely free and available all around the world. In this video, I'll show you how to accomplish it step by step, and at the end, I'll offer you a bonus free tool that will put everything on autopilot so you can passively earn from those clicks. First, let's make sure you have everything you'll need to do this task. Number 1, you'll need a device such as a laptop, tablet, or smartphone. Number 2, you'll need an internet connection or Wi-Fi. Number 3, you'll need to know how to click. If you have those 3, then you can make it. So, first and foremost, let me show you that this works globally. Let me tell you something. Anyone from anywhere can join this website and start making money in minutes. Yes, it's open globally, and you won't have to sell anything because you'll be paid per click. This is not an affiliate scheme, and it is not a link shortening service. Individuals will not be required to join up for anything, nor will they be required to spend any money. All you need to do is collect, and that's it. So this is basically one of the simplest methods to start generating money online, especially when combined with the next website I'm about to show you, which you can combine to get those clicks on total autopilot, making it a passive income source for you. Now, first and foremost, let's clarify this, okay? You've been using Google for a while, right? And I assume you do so, just like the other 3 billion people around the world who do so every day. Google is used by billions of people to search for answers and explore the web, and it's completely free to use. However, instead of Google, we'll be using another search engine today. This is a website, a platform, and it's also a free search engine like Google. The difference between Google and this tool is that this site will pay you for each click, and it'll pay you 20 cents per click. The reason for this is that they recognize Google as a major competitor and want to encourage more people to use their search engine instead of Google's, which is why they're paying you 20 cents each click. Since both are free, most people will want to utilize this new searching site because it will pay them 20 cents per click, which is amazing given it's free. So I encourage you to jump on this as quickly as possible and take advantage of the second platform, which I'll show you in a minute. So once you've arrived at this website or this search engine, look for these 3 lines in the upper right corner. Click on those 3 lines and you'll be presented with a list of categories such as home service, free submissions, SEO, ad market, affiliate, directory advertising, and so on. However, there is just one thing you should be interested in if you want to make money, and that is affiliate. Don't be alarmed by the affiliate keyword. You won't be required to sell anything, nor will you be required to make anyone buy or pay for anything. In fact, you're getting paid 20 cents per click on the free search engine submission service, so you can get other people who use Google on a regular basis to start using the entire web, and if they use your link, you'll get paid 20 cents per click, which is insane considering that 3 billion people use Google on a daily basis. So there's obviously a lot of potential here. Even if you suggest 100 people to this website, that's still a lot of passive revenue for you. If you refer 10,000 people, that's even more ridiculous. And you have a total potential of 3 billion people. As you can see, you'll be paid for every click you create, and you can make up to 20 cents each visitor, which is fantastic. You obviously have a high conversion rate because it's free and easy. And all they have to do is start searching on this site, and you'll be paid 20 cents. Anyone from anywhere in the world may join, and it's quite simple to get started. Within minutes of setting up, you'll be up and running, and earning money from your visitors. You'll see exactly how it works and what it'll look like for you, as well as how you may withdraw your money from the dashboard. Let me show you another wonderful feature. Here is how you'll be paid. You'll be paid using PayPal, and the minimum payout amount is $50, which may seem high, but you can easily earn $50 with this website and then cash out, and spend it on whatever you want. So it's not even $5, it's not $1, and it's not as cheap as some other websites, but it's still a wonderful deal. You can simply obtain the minimal payoff once more. What you'll need to do is go to this website affiliate program and click Create Account, so you can sign up for free. Now you'll need to fill out some information about yourself. You'll need to enter your first and last name, and you'll choose your own tracking ID. For example, you can type in my YouTube channel's username, Everyday Money. I'd set my tracking to Everyday Money, then choose a username or input an email address for your account, and then fill in the rest of your information. Step 3 is to just enter the payout methods. If you want to be paid, PayPal is not the only choice, so don't worry. Once you arrive at the payout methods page, you can simply enter your PayPal email address and they'll pay you as soon as you reach $50. Step 4 will be to read their terms and conditions and privacy policy, and if you agree, simply check the box and accept it. And that's it! You'll be able to sign up for this affiliate program and start earning money for each click that you generate. The registration process should take no more than a minute, and you won't have to wait for approval. Your campaigns are listed here, and the main page is located on the left side of the screen, where you may monitor your clicks and earnings. Because this is a brand new account, it reads 0 clicks and $0. But when I start collecting clicks, this will change and I'll start receiving money, which I can take by clicking on the My Profile account link right here and requesting a withdrawal as soon as I have $50. So to start receiving those clicks, you'll need to first obtain your affiliate link, which is your special affiliate link that will be at the top of the page and will say your affiliate link, which you can copy because every time someone clicks on this link, you'll be paid 20 cents per click. See, we're just referring people to a website called entireweb.com, where they can start searching the web and clicking on other websites, and you get paid for each click, which is really simple and easy. But for now, once you have your long affiliate link, I want you to go to bit.ly.com and shorten it. Bit.ly is a free link shortening service, so simply paste your link into the box and hit shorten. Now that your link is short and simple, you can start sharing it with others in order to get those clicks and start making money. You can share a link with friends and family on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, or any other social media platform, and that will definitely get you some clicks and earn you some money. But if you want to set this up on complete autopilot with the potential to reach millions of clicks, you need to use the strategy that I'm about to share with you. So first, open docs.google.com and make a blank document where you can write something quickly and build a call to action for your special bit.ly link that gets people to your affiliate link that is connected to the entire internet. And so just write something quickly. For example, I put in, "Is it possible to be better than Google?" Try the entire web, a new and free search engine, and then paste your affiliate link right here. You must provide your affiliate link so that people can click on it. And I also said, try it in a few seconds and tell me whether it is really better than Google. So I've told them it's new and it's free, so it'll attract more people because they'll know they don't have to buy anything. They don't have to spend any money, and they can just test it out in seconds. They won't have to wait for minutes or hours. They'll be able to test it out fast to determine if it's better than Google. And I'll now be paid 20 cents for each click I get. Of course, you can come up with your own call to action, article, and script, and that might work even better. This is simply something I do fast to show you an example. And once you're done reading your script and article, I want you to click the File button right here to save it to your computer. I'll go ahead and click the Download option to save this as a PDF document. And then we'll take that PDF document over to slideshare.net, which is the last website we'll be visiting. According to a similar website, slideshare.net is visited by over 1.4 billion people on a monthly basis. So you have the potential to reach over 1 billion people with SlideShare. Feel free to share whatever article you have. And we'll be sharing our Google Docs article that includes your entire web affiliate link so you can get those clicks on complete autopilot. You probably saw that SlideShare is used by over 1 billion people. There are a lot of individuals reading such things on slideshare.net because they are completely free. So you'll need to sign up by clicking the sign up button right here. The registration process takes even less time than on the entire web, so it should take around 30 seconds. And once you've signed up, simply click the upload button right here. Now pick files to upload, then select the PDF document. Wait for it to load and give it a title, such as "This will be better than Google." The higher the tags, the more people you'll attract. And then just push publish, and that's it. Now you have the ability to reach over 100 billion people with this article. And we'll be paid 20 cents each click you produce. With this website, 100 clicks equals $20, 1,000 clicks equals $200, and 10,000 clicks equals $2,000 for free. To make $2,000, all you need is 10,000 clicks, which are easy to come by because all they have to do is click on your link to start using the free search engine just like they do with Google, and you can start making your money. Millions of people use slideshare.net, and you can find millions of people on the internet willing to try out the entire web because it costs them nothing and it's something they do on a regular basis. So take advantage of the search engine and start making money as soon as possible. Because in my opinion, this is one of the easiest ways to start making money. Because you can create a passive income just by streaming on the internet.